and to the other end with the precision brush. For filling in all the big metal pieces, if you don't want it using with the precisions like needles right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check. So you feel around with the crystal. Do not apply it on the top of the crystal. You are going to do it just around the crystal, and do a seals on the top of the frame to prevent the frame turning tarnish and you know, fading because of hand sanitize, a lot of like hand washing. So we are going to seal it on the top of the metal pieces frame, but not on the top of the crystal. Keep the crystal nice and really sparkle. I love the looks of this combination of the Aurora gels. Is absolutely, is a lot of you been waiting for, and it is here now for you. Check out 1 or 2 colors if you really like it. Any colors will look great because, you know, guess what, it's translucent. So whatever colors you are pick is gonna go well with the colors you are putting it on the base, on the background. So I'm gonna seal in and moving on to the second nails I did. This is really gorgeous. It's hard to explain it though in person. I never think. I always like want to get AB, and it's so sparkle and it's so sparkle and bling. But this one is just another level. It's just like you get an absolutely bling, but it's just so beautiful and classy. Seals on the top of the frame. Scratchy right here. You're gonna squeeze it out. So each time you see scratchy, you're gonna squeeze just that much. You see that how much I do? You don't want to do it too much. Too much is going to flood your crystal. Too little is not going to seal it properly. So I'm gonna seal this, and seal the frame. Seal the frame beads. Check around. Keep in mind, you can also do it over and over as you needed it, okay? If you feel like still scratchy for the clients, absolutely. You can seal it again. Make sure you are flash key it for 30 seconds first before you go back and seal it again, because you don't want it flooded your crystal. I'm seal the frame and then around the edges of the crystal. This will prevent from catching on the hair or the clothes. I'm sealing it, all of the metal right here. The heart need a little bit seal right there. I feel scratchy right on the edges, and there's no tacky layer. So when you seal this and you cure for 60 seconds, you are going to be finished. Seals on the top of beads, not on the crystal, just on the beads. All right, so I'm go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Yeah,